Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect kale chips. Start by choosing the freshest kale available, ensuring it's crisp and vibrant. Proper washing and drying are crucial for crispy chips. Remember to remove those fibrous stems; they don't get crispy like the leaves. This initial prep sets the stage for delicious, crunchy kale chips every time. Once prepped, gently massage the kale with a small amount of olive oil and your chosen spices. Think garlic powder, nutritional yeast, or a pinch of salt for classic flavor. Arrange the leaves in a single layer on a baking sheet, giving them space to crisp up evenly in the oven. This ensures every chip is perfectly crunchy. If you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, just like kale chips bring flavor to your snack time, the Echo Dot smart speaker can bring your space to life with music and more. Check the description below for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Don't be afraid to get creative with your seasonings. For a spicy kick, add a dash of cayenne pepper. Nutritional yeast offers a fantastic cheesy flavor without dairy, a popular choice. Or, for something truly different, a tiny drizzle of maple syrup can create a delightful sweet and savory chip. The possibilities are endless for your taste buds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.